All right, good afternoon, everyone. So, my mom had this extension cord just stored outside, and as you can see, rats or mice, something got to it, and it's pretty messed up. You can still see the little teeth right there. So she asked me to repair it, so that's what I'm about to do. So this is all I have right here, and that should do the work. First things first, I'm just gonna cut straight down the middle. So I'm gonna cut just the orange part without cutting into the green, black, or white cords. So hopefully I don't mess up. All right, so that's how deep I had it. There we go. So just inspect these. Make sure you didn't cut them on accident. So for now, I'm just gonna tape this to the back so it's not in my way. There we go. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing to this side. So on these, I'm gonna cut each one at a different length. And you'll see how it turns out, you know, once I'm done. The reason for this is because if I cut them all on the same spot, it's gonna get all bunched up. How I cut this, you know, I'm gonna do the exact same opposite with the other side. And as you can see, you know, they fit somewhat perfectly, but okay. Now, there are a variety of different pliers or methods or things that you can use to strip the plastic off. So just be careful, because you may accidentally cut the wires from the inside. I'm just tying these up, making sure they're twisted enough. But if you look online, they do sell little kits or things to solder the wires together. This is just what I know how to do. And then lastly, you know, electric tape just to keep everything in place, and also to keep the wires from touching one another. Here we go. So do the exact same thing to all of them. Just twist, make sure they're connected. The last one. Like I said earlier, you can buy things online to make the connection a bit more solid or smoother. Aside from that, you know, you can always buy a new extension cord, but they can get pretty pricey. So this is just what I know what to do. Just connect them, you know. And the last thing I'm going to do is that extra piece from the outside, the sheath, I don't know what it's called, the orange one, I'm just gonna tape it up really good. Do you see how they sort of overlap one another? This will ensure that, you know, if you tug on the extension cord, it will not come undone. And this is what it looks like. A bit bumpy, but you know, it gets the job done, and this is what I know what to do or how to do it. And that's it. Thanks, everyone.